Hi there, welcome to our video on making a doctor's website using WordPress. Nowadays, it's crucial for doctors to have an online presence. A website can help doctors to talk to their patients, give important information about their practice, and make appointments. In this video, we will show you how to make a professional and cool website for a doctor using WordPress. If you are a doctor or just interested in medicine, you will love this tutorial. So let's get started and make an awesome doctor's website with WordPress. Step 1. Setting up WordPress. First, let's get WordPress set up on your domain. If you don't already have a domain, you can easily purchase one from a domain registrar. Next, you'll need to set up WordPress on your domain. This can be done through your web hosting provider. We recommend you consider Kinsta Hosting for your doctor's website. Kinsta Hosting is the perfect solution for setting up your WordPress website. Kinsta offers lightning fast load times, unparalleled uptime, and expert support 24/7. Their infrastructure is built on the Google Cloud platform, providing you with the power and security you need to run your website smoothly. Kinsta's managed hosting solution also take care of all the technical details, freeing you up to focus on your content and business. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient hosting solution, look no further than Kinsta Hosting. To sign up for Kinsta Hosting, please check the description below for the sign up link. Step 2. Installing the Responsive Starter Template plugin. Now that WordPress is set up, let's install the Responsive Starter Template plugin. You can do this by going to the WordPress plugin repository and searching for Responsive Starter Template. Once you have found the plugin, click Install and activate it. Step 3. Importing a starter template. Now that the plugin is installed, let's import a starter template. Responsive Starter Template has a wide range of pre-designed templates. So take your time and pick one that best fits your needs. To import a template, simply go to the Responsive Template section in your WordPress dashboard and search for Doctor and select the Doctor template. Here you can preview the whole template. Next, click the Import button and wait for the template to import. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. The plugin will import all the template elements in your WordPress website, including the colors, layout, fonts, and images. Once done, click on the Launch Site button. And here's how you get your doctor website ready in less than 5 minutes. Step 4. Customizing your website. Once the template has been imported, it's time to start customizing your website. And for that, all you have to do is click on Edit with Elementor button on the top. This will take you to the editing section of the Elementor where you can absolutely change everything from text to font to images to the background color. You can also add and edit your own pages and posts to showcase your services. With the Responsive Starter Template plugin, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's say I want to change this text, "Your good health can cheer you up," to "Health is wealth." And for that, all I have to do is just click on this section over here, and this will open a panel on my left hand side where I can change the text to "Health is wealth," and it's done. Now, let's say I want to change this text from this button, "Book Appointment." And for that, again I'll click on this button. This will open a panel on my left hand side where I can change the text to "Book Now," and it's done. Similarly, let's say I want to change this photo over here, and for that I'll click on Edit Column option. This will open a panel on my left hand side as Layout, Style and Advanced. And for changing the photo, I have to go to the Style section. And here you will get the option to change the photo. So click on the photo and you will get two options here, Upload Files or Media Library. So let's say I want to go ahead with this photo. I'll just click on this photo and then insert media and it's done. In this way, I can change any of this photo as well. I can also add blogs and news over here. I can also change the FAQs as well. And I can also add my social links over here. So once you're done with the editing, click on the update button to update the changes. And if you want to preview the changes you have made, click on Preview Changes button right next to the Update button. And this will open a new window where you can see all the changes you have made so far. And that's all about it. Happy editing! With our tools, you can create a professional and informative online presence for your medical practice. So go ahead and begin your website venture. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.